Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adalo push notifications for app engagement step by step clearly. To begin downloading Adalo push notifications, select the app for which you want to enable push notifications. Next, click on the settings option in the left sidebar. Locate the push notifications section within the settings menu. You will see an option to enable push notifications for your app. Toggle the switch to activate push notifications. Once enabled, you will need to configure the notification content. Click on Create Notification to start crafting your message. Enter a clear and engaging title for your notification. Add the main body text that you want to convey to your users. You can also customize the icon that appears with your notification. After setting up the content, choose the target audience for your notification. Select either all users or a specific segment based on user behavior. If applicable, set a schedule for when you want the notification to be sent. Review all details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Send Notification button to finalize and dispatch your message. Monitor engagement analytics to assess the effectiveness of your push notifications. Adjust your strategies based on user feedback and interaction rates. Consistently update your notification strategy to keep your users engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.